Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mechanic 757. Happy Thanksgiving. I cannot make this stuff up. This is on Thanksgiving Day. We don't work on Thanksgiving, but I get a message from a customer. Her name is Brandy. She lives in Hampton, Virginia. A couple days ago, she wanted us to change the spark plugs in her Dodge Neon 2003. I told the customer that she pulled in front of us because we got there first, and then she pulled in front of us and the car is backfiring and carrying on. And she scheduled for us to do spark plugs. I knew it wasn't going to fix a Dodge Neon. They don't make Dodge Neons anymore. I tell the customer, honestly, that's not going to fix your problem. She gets smart with me and says she's already got a professional opinion, took the spark plugs and threw them at me. I should have let them hit the ground and walked away. But I didn't do that. That was my mistake. So we pop the hood, and when we take and do any kind of work, we take pictures of the VIN number, get all the information, and we take pictures of the engine before and after the repairs for situations just like this. I take out all 4 spark plugs, and they're champion spark plugs. They're the regular copper that you can gap. I take a picture of the spark plug. It is so corroded with carb, there's no way the engine was running correctly in the first place. Mind you, she told me over the phone before I showed up, she just bought it at an auction. And she says the car's running terrible. This is before we even showed up. I recommended diagnostic. She didn't want to have it, but she wasn't rude. So anyway, when I started doing the repairs, number 4 spark plug hole looked like somebody took a smoke machine and was just blowing smoke out of it. That's how bad it was. Just, you can tell the piston rings and the valve seals were completely history. And that's why she was misfiring. We pull out 4 champion spark plugs. We put 4 Autolite spark plugs, the ones she threw at me. Put that in. Told her she needed to do a diagnostic ASAP. She got real nasty, but she didn't see my coworker with me, and she changed her tune when she saw my coworker because my truck had tinted windows, so she never saw my coworker. That's not the kicker. On Thanksgiving today, which is today, she sends me a racist video calling me a dumb black and a text saying, fuck, get my wife. My coworker wasn't my wife, but this is what she sent. She says she's getting an attorney. She's going to run my name through the mud. She went to Google reviews and put up lies, and I put up there exactly what happened. And this is what I'm talking about. You have to cover your butt and take pictures of stuff before, there, and after. Even with her racist video, she had Autolite plugs, the ones she threw at me, in her hand, and saying that I put old plugs back in her car, but the original ones were champions that we gave back to her. Her car broke down again. That's why she sent us the video, because she says we never changed the plugs. She got a real mechanic to change the plugs, and the plug she pulled out was Autolites. But remember, boys and girls, their original ones we pulled out were champions. But she sent us racist videos with Autolites in her hands, the same ones she sent me and had me to put in there. You can't make this up, boys and girls. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And haters are motivators, and the devil's a liar.